Hey, it's James. I'm going to give you all some positioning tricks to use for figuring out your GI stuff. To help you remember where the contrast and air will be in the stomach and duodenum in an AP or a PA, or an RAO versus an LPO, you can use a simple hand trick. If you make a J with your right hand and place it on your lower left ribs, that'll simulate your stomach position, with the fundus being superior and slightly posterior. When you lay on your back, like in a PA or an LPO, the contrast will be in the fundus. You can use a similar trick to tell where the contrast will be in a lower GI, and also to tell what anatomy you'll see during the oblique projections. If you put your hands in your back pockets, you can tell which oblique will show what. In an RPO, you'll see the left colic flexure and descending colon, and in an LPO, you'll see the right colic flexure and the ascending colon. Just let me know if you have any questions.